Stop scrolling. The Galaxy S26 launch date leaks just went from rumor to basically confirmed, and this might be Samsung's biggest timing shift in years. Those Galaxy S26 launch date rumors just got a serious upgrade, and this time, they sound locked in. The Samsung Galaxy S26 series launch date now feels almost official. A highly trusted industry source has stepped in and backed up recent Korean media reports, making this leak hard to ignore. According to multiple insiders, Samsung's Galaxy S26 lineup is officially set to launch later this year, and the timing now appears finalized. Just like previous years, the lineup will include three models: Galaxy S26, Galaxy S26 Plus, Galaxy S26 Ultra. And here's the big confirmation. Popular leaker Evan Blass, Eve Leaks, has now confirmed that the February 25th launch date is 100% correct. He shared this while quoting Ice Universe, who based the info on Korean industry sources. Evan didn't hold back. He literally said you can take it to the bank. That's huge, because it means Samsung is pushing its Galaxy Unpacked event back by nearly 4 weeks. Last year, the Galaxy S series launched in late January. This time, Samsung is clearly aiming for late February, and that change feels very intentional. But that's not all. A supposed Galaxy S26 Ultra unboxing video has just leaked, and it's raising eyebrows. The video shows what looks like an official Samsung retail box, complete with a clean design, minimal text, and dramatic lighting. At first glance, it feels very real. However, once the phone is revealed, things start to feel off. Ice Universe shared the clip, and while the phone's design perfectly matches previously leaked CAD renders, the device itself appears to be a dummy unit, not a working phone. The S Pen is placed neatly beside it, and the setup looks professional, almost too professional. Still, even if it's a dummy, it gives us a solid look at Samsung's upcoming flagship. On the back, the Galaxy S26 Ultra features two vertical camera rows on the left, housing the camera sensors, LED flash, and TOF sensor. Exactly what earlier leaks suggested. Reports also claim that mass production of the Galaxy S26 Ultra has already begun, with the base and Plus models expected to enter production later this month. So yeah, whether this unboxing is real or a clever fake, it still offers an exciting preview of what Samsung is planning next. Now it's your turn. Do you think this leak is legit or just a well-made dummy? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for the latest Galaxy leaks, One UI updates, and Samsung news. Because trust me, this is just the beginning.